Hi, this is Mike Marino with the Wilkins Company, here to show you how to use the new sound system in the gym. All of our controls are going to be in here. This button here is our main system power. You can push this button and you'll notice the flashing light that is turning on the system in a preset order. Once everything is turned on, we'll have a solid light. And it will take just a minute for the controller to load. You'll know that it's loaded when all of the channel names appear. Here we go. So by default, this is going to turn on to the gym class preset. We have 3 other presets along here that correspond to these buttons here. So each one of these presets is going to be a different set of recallable scenarios with different channels, different volumes. So gym class is going to give us access to music 1, which is right here, and handheld 1, which is one of the handheld wireless microphones. Preset 2 is the pep rally. We push that. It will give us access to music 1, handheld 1, and handheld 2. There's a little bit more volume built into the system for that preset. Preset 3 is stage play. This is for when we're doing a play. This will give us access to music 1, handheld 2, the 4 headset microphones, which are stored in the rack in the drawer, the stage left input, the stage right input, and then additionally, if we hit this button here, this will take us to the next layer, and this is the overhead microphones that are above the stage. We can push this button to go back to the first layer. We can also use these 2 buttons here to go between those layers. This second layer just gives you access to this additional set of microphones, and that's only available on the stage preset. The last is movie night, and that'll give us access to the projector volume, which I'll show you later, and handheld 1. Let's go back to gym class. So once we're on a preset, these dials here will control the volumes for those channels. You can only control the volume for which there is a channel listed here. So for example, dialing this up or down, as you can see, will turn up the music up and down. Same with the headset. We also have mutes. If we hit this button here on each channel, it'll activate a mute, and that'll completely silence that channel. If we go to stage play, we'll see all of our inputs, and by default, the headsets are turned off, and we have different volumes here. We can unmute that. We can turn up and down all of these volumes here. So if we want to play music through this system, we can do it on any of these presets, but we'll go to the gym class preset because this is the most basic. Music 1, like I said, will control the volume of anything plugged into here. So down here, all of these cables will be stored in the rack to the right of me, in the drawer in the bottom. This cable here should give you every scenario that you would need. So we're going to plug in with the RCA inputs here. And then we have a headphone jack. We have a lightning jack for Apple devices and a USB-C for some Apple and most Android devices. So you can plug your device into here, play your music, and then your volume will be controlled by here. Just make sure to have your volume up on your device as you're playing it. We also have a spare cable here. And this has a headphone jack on it. And then we have 2 adapters here, one for USB-C and one for lightning. Those will also be in the drawer. When you're done using the system, you can come over to this button here, push that button, it's going to flash, and it's going to turn everything off in a preset order. And that concludes the video.